Hello. Okay, so I've got a little bit of it's still diamond painting, but it's with a bit of a twist today. So if you've seen my recent video, I did the Christmas tree decorations. Loved them, so cute. This one, I saw these stickers and I thought, oh, it's Animal Crossing. Everybody loves Animal Crossing. Although, to be fair, I haven't played the new one. I played the old one with my daughter many years ago, but I haven't played the new one. But these look very cute, and the characters, I recognise this guy. The character's very, and this one, similar. But other people can tell you all the characters' names, things like that. I can't do that. So, yeah, I wanted to create some bag charms. And I was looking for pictures and things like that, and I saw these. But unlike the Christmas tree decorations where they're hard plastic and you stick the diamond paintings onto the sort of the hard plastic, these are just stickers. I couldn't find these in the hard version, so I thought, right, okay, let's do something. So my second channel is, my main channel is called Kubalicious, and on there I do a lot of resin crafts, dipping, chemical dips, things like that. So what I thought was, can I use resin in some way to turn these stickers into bag charms or fridge magnets or whatever you want to do with them. So I'm going to do this. If you'd like to see how they come out, carry on watching. We're going to have a go, and then once I've done here, if you'd like to see how I resin them, pop over to Kubalicious and I will well, you can see my experimenting and how it goes, because resin doesn't like to stick to acetate and things like that, so it may be, because the easiest way would be to do to fill up the diamond painting and then stick it onto an acetate sheet and then resin the back, but resin doesn't like to stick to acetate, so I'm going to have to be a little bit inventive. So if you, yeah, if you want to see the process, come and have a look. If not, you can just sit and watch these. They're going to be cute, but I will show you at the end how they turn out. So we get the normal green tray, and then we get the diamonds. Now the diamonds look fine, nice colours. Can't see any obvious defects in them. It does say, does it say they're 5D or 3D? It says they're 5D, so they should be a little bit more glittery, although I can't really see the faces on them at the moment. But it says it's 5D, so we'll... Basically the 5D has more faces, more facets on the actual diamond, whereas a 3D one doesn't, so we'll see. Right, okay, keep watching and let's see how... These are very cute. Let's see how they turn out. Okay, so I finished the top 6. Well, apart from this last bit of this one, but my little girl's doing this one, so I promised she could finish it. But I've done these. They're very sweet. The drills are very consistent. They're a very consistent size. I didn't find any rubbish ones in the pack. I didn't find any that I needed to throw away or that were too small. One thing you will find with cheaper kits is that the diamonds, the drills tend to be a little off size. So you'll have some little ones, some big ones, and that can make your pieces look a little bit unfinished. But these are fine. These are all the same size. I mean, this set wasn't cheap, so I would expect it to be... this set for the sheet was £12 for the 12 stickers, and obviously they're only stickers and not perspex or anything, so yeah, these, you would expect that these would be really good quality. But they are Animal Crossing as well, and obviously Animal Crossing things go for a higher price, so we know that. So yeah, you could definitely use these on books, on different things. The adhesive is quite good. The adhesive on this side is, when I'm doing a diamond painting, a lot of people go on about, is it poured glue, is it sheet glue, is it this, that. As long as it is really powerful on my big pieces, I'm not massively bothered. So I sort of rate it by how much the drills slide, and these do slide when you put them on. You can move them, whereas on some of my expensive kits, once it's on, it's on. You can't move it. And if I've gone wrong, or you know, I've put it down and I've realised the drill's not perfect, you really have to pick it off. Whereas these will slide and they will come off, but they're not the slidiest I've had, so it means the glue is a medium glue. But if you're going to spray it with a fixative or anything like that, that would obviously help keep them on. If I'm turning them into bag charms, I will spray, I will put a fixative on the front, because the last thing you want is them to be coming off. Now, it does compromise slightly a little bit the sparkle, but I'd rather that than it actually some of the diamonds come off. So yeah, all in all, I love this kit. It's very sweet, it's very cute, they're nice, the definition, they're simple. When you've got small pieces like this, if they're not simple, then they can look a bit odd because there's no definition. Obviously, the bigger the diamond painting, the bigger the picture, the more detail you get into it, and it looks better. But with these little stickers, you obviously haven't got that option. So the detail's quite fine. They look quite pleasant from a distance. They're very sweet. There's sticking to me. There's the picture of the ones, and they look. I say I don't know the characters anymore, but there, I think they look quite similar. I think they're quite good. But thank you ever so much for watching. If you'd like to see how I manage, I've got to do some experimenting first. If you want to see how I manage to turn these into keychains and magnets, then pop over to my other channel, Kubylicious Crafts, and I'll see you over there. Take care. Okay, so I've turned them into keychains, bag charms, whatever you want to call them. They have amazingly sparkly backs. They are robust. I wouldn't say they're like you can drop them and stamp on them kind of thing, but they'll definitely hold up to being on your bag. They are super cute. This one, he's got a sort of white cleary kind of sparkly back. I did them slightly differently so that I could see which method would work best. They both worked well. I enjoyed doing both of them. They came out lovely. If you'd like to see how I did them, you can go over to my other channel, Kubylicious Crafts, and see how what I used and how I did it. But these now will be ready, and my daughter is going to have the other one, and it's going to go on her backpack. So yeah, these are ready now to. I don't know, you could even use them as Christmas decorations, because this one's uber sparkly. So yeah, you could do what you want. But that is the keychains. I did manage to fix them up, to turn the stickers into keychains, bag charms, whatever you want. So thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.